Good morning, you guys. It is super early in the morning, so my voice might sound a little bit tired. I've been up for a really long time because it has been a crazy week, but I'm back with another video. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, y'all. We do this every week. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Look at this. Look, I added this for y'all, okay? I'm showing y'all the palette I used. I'm even going to show y'all the actual shadows I use. Like, this stuff take work, so y'all better like this video. Like, boom. Hey, look. Okay, so we're using this Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. It's a really pretty warm tone palette. I feel like this palette, us girls with color, actually anybody really, like anybody can use. This is like one of the few palettes where you can use every single shade in this palette. If you're a brown girl, you don't have to worry about picking and choosing which colors to use because they all will look good on you. Urban Decay did this. Like, they did the dang thing with this palette. So we're starting out just, carving out the brows. And once I've placed that concealer over my eye like a primer, I'm going to tap into this color He Devil. Look, the names of this palette, I was just like, what? But the colors are bomb, okay? And they blend to perfection. This Sonia Kashuk brush is my favorite for blending. It blends out like a dream, y'all. Look at how, look. Love it. So I'm applying He Devil just kind of in the crease and bringing it up a little bit towards my brow bone, but not all the way underneath my brow. Second color I'm going to go in with is En Fuego. And then I'm just going to put that almost like directly into the crease. And I know when you look at it, it's like, what color? I thought that color was going to be slightly deeper than He Devil. It wasn't. So I was just like, we just going to roll with it and blend them together because gotta blend your colors together. Next color I tapped into is this color Ashes. OMG. And if you notice the brushes that I'm using, they are different. So I'm not using the same brush. This one is smaller and it's more concentrated because I really want to pack the color on, and I'm focusing this color on the back outer, not necessarily the outer corner completely. I want this color to kind of be like a diagonal on my eye and in the middle of two other colors. So that's why I kind of pointed out like how I did it on my eye was not that I put the color straight down, but it's kind of diagonal. So laid down Ashes, and now I'm going in. Notice the brush is different. It's a flat brush, gives me more precision. And I'm laying down, I don't know why I didn't show you guys the shimmer, the color of the shimmer that I'm using. It's from the same palette. I didn't use any other palettes to do this eye. It was just this one palette. Shows how versatile this palette is. Oh, I lied. Oops. I did. This palette doesn't have a black, and so I needed a black. Actually, you know what? I was gonna only use Urban Decay, but then I was looking at the eye and I was like, man, black back there would really make it pop. Now, if you're lighter than I am, then you could have used like a dark brown from the palette and it would have looked just as good as me using the black. But since I'm darker skinned, I need a color that's really a dark, deep color that's really gonna pop, and usually blacks do that for me. So if you're, like I said, if you're lighter than me, you can stick with brown back there and it'll be fine. I popped in a little bit of this black from the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. I know that you guys already saw the video that I did with this palette because you guys keep up with me, right? Because we're friends, right? No, that's not even a question mark. We're friends, so y'all should already saw that video. Y'all know all about that palette, how I did a look with that whole palette by itself. So now I've laid down the black, and usually when I'm using black, I always say this, make sure you start small and build it up. I started small with the black, blended it out, and then kicked up the intensity to what I want it to be, making sure that I smoked it out. Smoke her out. See, I'm going through. You'll notice if you rewatch it, or maybe you saw it when I was doing it, that I'm going through and I'm taking brushes that I usually that I already used on my eye that still has color on the brush, and I'm blending all of the colors together. So I'm just going through each brush, not adding more product, but just blending. That's what I'm doing. See that blend? Ooh, it's that gradient. El Maquillage mascara. I need some more of it. It's really good mascara. I like it when I'm just going for a natural look. And the reason why I chose this one was because I'm going to be popping on falsies. After that, I'm going to sculpt my brows. Of course, I'm using Goof Proof brow pencil because that's what I use. Brow number 5. Watch the transformation of these brows though, y'all. Y'all ain't understanding. I'm just saying, like, when it comes to brow products, if you're sculpting brows for somebody that does not have any brows, there's nothing on earth better than Benefit. They have just cornered the market in bomb brow products. Good night. That's not an ad. That's just truth, just because I use it and I love it. I pop on the Gimme Brow, which makes it look all, my eyebrows look all fibrous. Like these are my hairs when they're actually, it makes the little hairs that I have look like they're thicker than they actually are. Good night. These lashes are from Every Lashes. They are becoming a favorite brand of mine. It's like Every Lashes and Ardell Lashes. Like, I would love to collaborate with either one of them. I don't even care. But this style is called Happy Hour, and you just plop that on. You know, one of the things about lashes is don't let these puppies scare you, okay? You command those lashes, all right? You tell them where they're gonna go, and then they'll just listen to you. Boom. And there's the finished look. She about to be super cute. Face is done. Did my face off camera. And now I'm just gonna stare at y'all so y'all can see this look and see how fly she looks. That day, I'm not looking like this today, but that day I was super cute. So hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna go get some breakfast and some coffee. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.